Hey, what are you doing in there? Hi, I'm Don from Don Does Stuff, and today we're going to be installing some baby locks so you can't get in that cabinet. These are from MtMinn or MtMinn. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it, but it comes in a kit with a whole bunch of these cabinet locks, and they're magnetic, so they're super easy to install and super easy to use. Let's check it out. So these are really easy to install. The real trick, as you can well imagine, is to get them aligned so that the latch, which is this piece, and this attaches to the cabinet door or the drawer face, is aligned with this piece, which is the latch. So it goes together like that, all right? So the trick is to align it. How do you do it? Well, they are clever enough to give you this little mounting tool here. So what you do is you align it so that this face is out. You put your latch through it, and it kind of holds in the back of that. And then you take the latch plate, and with the open end, see there's an open end there, with that pointing away from the latch, you slot it right into that little template piece, like so. And then you have one unit with a self-adhesive part there and a self-adhesive part there, and it's all connected. So all you do is you take those self-adhesive parts off and stick it first inside the cabinet for this piece here, the latch plate, and then secondly you close either your drawer or your cabinet door onto this piece, and it's all set. Let's check it out. You might get it positioned incorrectly and it won't work, and you're gonna go, how do I get this thing off now? It's all 3M adhesive to death. So what you do is you use a hair dryer, warm up, it might take about a minute to gently warm up that adhesive, and then it just comes off easily, and they provided a couple of extra adhesive pads in your kit, and just use a new one, all right? So getting this positioned right is crucial. In this case, there's an interior cabinet, sort of a frame, and the door here. So we're going to put this piece up here as high as we can so that the door closes like that. So I would recommend that when you're setting this up, you take a pencil and just make a little mark on the cabinet so that you have an idea where you want to put it, and then take the adhesive off your locking plate and line it up to the center of that, like so. Press it on lightly, and then take the adhesive backing off of the latch part, so. There's one other little trick. So these things lock with the magnet, or unlock with the magnet, but you can also lock them in the unlocked position like that, and then it won't lock itself while you're positioning this. Okay, so I've got it in there. I'm going to close my cabinet, press it, and with any luck, yes, the latch has attached itself lightly to there, and now we can press it on firmly. Press the locking plate on firmly, and remove the little template piece. So now when we unlock this piece, and now when you close it, it holds on there perfectly. You position your magnet over the spot, and it opens up. And if you ever want to unlock it, at least temporarily, you just take that little latch that's flicking like that and just give it a little gentle push, and now it won't latch. And then to unlock it, you just push it gently on the other side just to catch that little lip there. There we go. And the final step is to put a little sticker on the outside of the cabinet opposite where your latch point is, so that you don't have to guess where to put the magnet. And the cool thing is that the little magnetic key thing that unlocks your cabinet can stick on the side of your fridge or any other sort of metal surface that's convenient for you and out of reach of the kids. And if you don't have anywhere handy, they provide a metal disc that you can stick it onto, and it has a self-adhesive part on the back of that. So that's a pretty cool feature on these things. Hope that helped to get your magnetic baby catches installed easily.